To evaluate learner submissions or edit existing grades, there are multiple ways to accomplish this. We recommend using Quick Eval to assess all learner submissions quickly and efficiently. Within the Grades tool, there are optional methods available to evaluate by assessment, learner submissions, and manually enter grades across entire courses with the Enter Grades tab. To access individual learner submissions from the Enter Grades tab, click on the associated icon next to the learner submission under the desired grade item. Each assessment has its own unique icon. You will be directed to the evaluation. Note: new learner submissions will be identified by an orange dot on the upper right corner of the icon. For more information on the evaluation of learner submissions, please refer to the Grading in Brightspace article. Grades can also be entered manually using Switch to Spreadsheet View. To use this feature, click Spreadsheet View at the upper left of the page. This will allow for numeric grade entry for all grade items. You can also override or edit previously entered grades through this feature as well. Click Switch to Standard View to return to the default view.